Imagine your ideal customer asking a question online, and instead of scrolling through search results, they get one instant answer from an AI assistant. In that moment, either your brand is in the answer, or it doesn't exist for that user. This is the new reality of the answer engine era, and this playbook is your guide to becoming the brand that AI remembers, cites, and recommends. The end of traditional search. For decades, digital strategy focused on one primary goal: rank higher in search results and win the click. Now, over half of searches end without a click, as AI assistants synthesize information into direct answers, often without sending users to any website at all. High rankings alone no longer guarantee visibility. What matters is whether AI systems consider your brand credible enough to quote inside their answers. The rules have changed. Traditional search engine optimization is giving way to artificial intelligence optimization, AIO. Instead of optimizing only for keywords, AIO focuses on how large language models interpret meaning, trust, and context across your content. Your new objective is not just to appear as a blue link, but to become a cited, trusted source within AI-generated responses. The first pillar of AIO is structure for meaning, engineering your content so AI models can easily parse, understand, and extract answers from it. That means clear headings, one-sentence definitions, bullet points, tables, and FAQs that map directly to natural language questions users ask. Technical excellence matters too. Fast-loading pages, pre-rendered content that doesn't rely on client-side JavaScript, and high-quality schema markup that clarifies what each page is about. The second pillar is build for authority, shifting from keyword-first tactics to an entity-first strategy where your brand becomes a recognized expert on specific topics. Each key page should focus on a clearly defined entity and connect to a broader network of related topics, internal links, and external references like Wikidata or authoritative profiles. Signals of experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, such as expert bylines, original data, and strong topical coverage, help AI systems treat your brand as a reliable authority. The third pillar is measure for visibility, because in a zero-click world, the old metrics are no longer enough. New indicators like AI share of voice, citation frequency, and AI answers, and share of SERP presence show how often your brand appears wherever decisions are made. By tracking how your entities show up across AI overviews, knowledge panels, and other rich features, you move from counting clicks to measuring true presence. Executing this strategy requires tools that go beyond classic SEO platforms. You'll need systems that analyze prompts and entities, score your content semantic relevance, track brand mentions inside AI results, and audit technical issues that affect how crawlers read your site. Together, this stack helps you see what AI associates with your brand today and where you need to strengthen your position. The playbook lays out a practical 90-day roadmap to put AIO into action. Phase 1 focuses on auditing your current content, mapping your most important pages to clear entities, upgrading schema, and giving AI crawlers explicit guidance. Later phases emphasize building topic clusters around core entities, earning strategic brand mentions, and setting up ongoing measurement for AI visibility. The future of search is no longer about chasing every algorithm update. It's about shaping how AI understands your brand. When your content is structured for meaning, your brand is positioned as an authority, and your visibility is measured in AI citations. You stop reacting and start leading. In the answer engine era, the ultimate win is simple. When your ideal customer asks a question, their AI assistant answers with your name. Connect with Keith Jones on LinkedIn to get your strategy today.